Request data on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to request data on your TikTok app. First thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, just click on those three lines up there and click on Setting and Privacy. Now, all you need to do is click on the second option, which is Privacy. And here you're gonna find download your data to get a copy of your TikTok data. Wait for a second and you're gonna find request data and download data. On request data, you can choose to select a file format, for example, this one or this one. TXT is easy to read text files, and you can now click on request data. Easy and quick. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.